Hello everyone, this is Gitika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School, and today we'll start question number 7 of exercise 9.1 of chapter 9 rational number of class 7. See here in question number 7 what they are asking, rewrite the following rational numbers in the simplest form. Means we are having here rational numbers and we will simplify them as much as we can and will reduce them to the simplest form. So here the very first one part is minus 8 by 6, and now we'll check here both are having any common factor or not. So we can see here both 8 and 6 can be divided by 2. Minus 8 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2. After simplifying this we get minus 4 by 3, and this we can't simplify it further, so it is its simplest form. Then move to the second part, it is 25 by 45. Now we can see here that both are having the common factor as 5 here. So we'll divide both numerator and denominator with 5. So here 25 divided by 5, 45 divided by 5, and it becomes 5 by 9. Then same here the third part, minus 44 by 72, and we can see here that it is having common factor as 2 and 4 even, so we can simplify it with both the factors. So here I am going to divide both numerator and denominator with 4 here. It becomes minus 44 divided by 4, and 72 divided by 4, it becomes minus 11 by 18. Then here the next fourth part we are having minus 8 upon 10, and both are the multiples of 2. So we'll divide both with 2 and we get at the end minus 4 by 5, and these are their simplest forms. Then question number 8, what they are asking, fill in the boxes with the correct symbol out of greater than, less than and equal. Mean to say we are having these symbols and we are having rational numbers, and according to rational number after the simplification we will choose a sign from these signs. So here the very first one part is minus 5 by 7 and 2 by 3. Now you can see here easily that one rational number is negative and another one is positive, and we know that the positive number is greater than the negative number, so it means 2 by 3 is greater than minus 5 by 7. Then in second part we are having minus 4 by 5 and minus 5 by 7. Here both rational numbers are negative, so we can't compare them which one is greater. So what we'll do here, we will check now their denominators 5 and 7. That means they are not same, so what we'll do here, we will take LCM, means we will make the same denominator here in both the rational numbers. So when I will multiply 5 with the 7 and 7 with the 5, I will make it the same denominators. So minus 4 by 5 multiply 7 by 7, and here minus 5 by 7 multiply 5 by 5. And after multiplication we get here minus 28 by 35, and here minus 25 by 35. It means here now we can compare here. Either we know that the 28 is always greater than 25, but they are having negative signs. So what we'll do here, it means minus 25 is greater than minus 28. So it means here this one rational number is greater than this one rational number. So here minus 5 by 7 is greater than minus 4 by 5. Now in third part we are having minus 7 by 8 and 14 upon minus 16. We can see here that both 7 and 8 they are not having any common factor, and but here 14 upon 16 they are having, they both can be divisible by 2 here, and after they can simplification we get here minus 7 by 8. So we will see here it is already minus 7 by 8 and it is minus 7 by 8, and both are of same sign, so they both are equal here. So minus 7 by 8 is equals to 14 upon minus 16 here. Then see the fourth part we are having minus 8 by 5 and other one minus 7 by 4. Again both are of same sign, but the denominator is not same. So what we'll do, we'll multiply 5 with 4 and 4 with 5 to make the same denominator. And same here, what we'll do here, it becomes minus 8 by 5 multiply 4 by 4, and here minus 7 by 4 multiply 5 by 5. And after multiplication it becomes minus 32 by 20, and here minus 35 by 20. Again here, as we know that the number, which one is greater? Which one is greater? Minus 32 is greater than minus 35. It means here this one rational number is greater than this one rational number. So here it means minus 8 by 5 is greater than minus 7 by 4. Same here, the next part, fifth part, again we can compare that we are having minus 1 by 3 and the one is minus 1 by 4 here. It means here again we are having same sign on both the sides, but denominator is not same. So we'll multiply 3 with 4 and 4 with 3, and after multiplication with the numerators even, what we'll get here at the end, 4 by minus 12, and here minus 3 by 12. We can judge here that this one number is greater than this one number. So minus 1 by 4 is greater than minus 1 by 3. Then same here, see the sixth part, we are having 5 upon minus 11, here minus 5 by 11. You can see here both are 5 by 11, but here the minus sign is with denominator, but here with numerator, but they are with the same fractions now, same rational numbers, so both are equal here. And the last part of this sum, you can see here 0 and minus 7 by 6. Just remember one thing, that 0 is greater than every negative number. So it means here 0 is greater than minus 7 by 6 here.